Hi everyone, my name is Tamara and I'm from Los Angeles, California. And today's topic is me who wants to run away and avoid. So just like everyone, my initial instinct was always to run away from any pain or discomfort in my life. A lot of situations where it's difficult to talk to people or feeling awkward around people, I'd always try to put it off and try to run away. And through this meditation, I've really seen huge changes in my behavior and how I approach the situations, whether they're difficult or easy. As a business owner, for example, I have to encounter a lot of difficult scenarios every day, including patients who are complaining, conflict with my employees, emergencies that come up. And I've noticed that through throwing away and getting rid of that ego and that initial thought and mind, that I'm actually able to handle everything much better. And I feel like I'm more courageous and brave, and I can actually handle all the situations with clarity and peace. So I'm very grateful for the meditation.